All right, gang, we are back. 2023 RV Industry Open House. I'm Mike Caudill, brand ambassador for Go RVing, and as you can hear, the ambiance, the sound. Last year, Cody and I developed a friendship, and it was all around apparel. And he decided that today he was going to make sure that he was better dressed than me. And I failed, except for the fact that I do have my Go RVing shirt on, and we wanted to wear sunglasses because we are just too cool. All right, so last year we spent some time talking about a smaller unit, more of an overlanding unit. This year we have flipped things upside down, Cody, and we wanted to start inside because... And as I came inside, I was like, oh, this is... By the way, you're all going to... I know they're commenting, this guy likes every RV. I love every RV. And this one, when I walked inside, I was like, oh my gosh, I got to have this. So tell me what we were in, and wait till you see the design on the outside, the ingenuity. There's so much going on here. Talk to me.
Mike, welcome to the RV Suite. We're sitting on the luxury lounge here. You can see plenty of room for two people. But imagine you have this base camp destination at the base of the mountain, the beach, anywhere you want to put it, the lake, and it's in a package that's compact, but it still has some of the residential things that you're going to see in a full-size park model.
All right, so first off, when we think about what we're sitting on right now, this lounger, it does fold flat into a L-shaped couch. So it goes flat, so you have that functionality. But Cody was like, hey, you got to come in. I just got to show you how this all works. So as you see the way we're sitting here, we've got our television monitor up here, and we've got colors, the design. So I want to talk a little bit about that before we get into some of the tech. Colors on the inside, like very comfortable. I don't want to say muted colors, but matte finish colors. This thing screams retro alternative meets modern tech.
Yeah, we've got this interior color we call Botanic Pine. You can see we've got our nice green accented with the tobacco we're sitting on. This is a custom-made piece of furniture. And for us, it's all about the details. We want the furniture to feel like it's a custom-made piece. And in here, space is of high value, right? So the way this converts down into a single piece opens up the living area. But you've got, you know, this beautiful open kitchen so you can look at the landscape. Our retro ice box, 12 cubic feet, and still all the creature comforts of solid surface counter, induction cooking. Mike, this whole thing is LP free, so there's no LP connection in here. Everything runs on electric. It's turnkey, ready for adventure.
All right, I don't want to go to work because I'm enjoying my comfortable spot, but it's time to go to work. So, all right, I'm going to run you guys through this speed style. You ready for this before we go to the back? I want to talk about a couple different things. This is one solid piece of wood that has been cut and manufactured to give it that custom look. You can store all your stuff up top. Obviously, you're going to tuck it down below. You got induction top here. Check this out. Come check this out, Tracy. Big farmhouse circular right here, so you got a nice deep sink for you to be able to get all your stuff done inside there. Of course, they've got a partnership with Klipsch, so you got this great sound system on the inside. I'm going to let Cody show you guys this in a minute, but I wanted to bring you in here. Come into the bathroom. Beautiful sinks in here. Attention to detail is paramount with this amazing RV. The shower test, of course, I fit perfectly in here. LED lights that run across the width of the RV as well. By the way, water, water, water. Plenty enough luxury and creativity on the inside here. All right, we're going to back our way out because one of the coolest tech features, and I mentioned that at the very beginning, I said luxury, comfort, and then I said technology. You ready to show them? Because this is one of the coolest features on the inside. Go for it.
So imagine you come home at night, Mike, and you're tired, you're beat, and you just want to be able to relax. You say, hey, Power Pro, I'm ready to relax.
Relaxation mood is set.
We dim the lights, the fireplace goes on. This thing is nice and just has the best feng shui and ergonomics. You're not going to believe it.
Here it is. This is the unit on the wall. This is the Power Pro unit. So when it acknowledges it, you say Power Pro, you say, hey, Power Pro, it's going to ask you what it is you want to do. And then there are a variety of different commands. Cody said right now there are about 50 different commands, but they're going to continue to upgrade this over time, so you have a lot of functionality. All right, I'm going to go outside, and Cody's going to show you the back room before we do the official unveil outside. Cody, take it away back there.
You got it, Mike. So here I want to show you this flex space / invisible king room. So I've got Lyle here to help me demo this, but I want you guys to imagine this comes with 2 bar stools. You've got this stand-up work area, plenty of USB and 110 volt charging on both sides. This also doubles as a dinette. You've got this giant window behind us, but what's great is when this space converts into storage, this also doubles as your bed and sleeping area. So look at the open concept here for storing kayaks, bicycles, e-bikes, anything you can imagine you could put in this space. I like to think of it as a warming hut. You know, you've got skiing happening outside, you've got your warming hut inside, but the big key feature in here is this invisible king setup, and I want to show you that, Mike. This is so cool. So, as you know, most Murphy bed systems come with a break in the mattress. This mattress has a 2-inch pillow top on it. It's a king-size bed, no break in it, and it folds away into the hidden cabinet.
That's awesome. Tracy, show on the side of the wall over there. Show that on the side of the wall where the power is. Just kind of gives you a really good idea. Both sides have functional power, so you have USB charging. You have USB charging, and you have 4 power outlets on each side, so you can, whether you have a CPAP or whatever it is, you can fit that in your functionality. I also want to point out the mirrors on both, or the windows on both sides. How awesome is this window over here? Opens the entire thing up. So you have super functional space for storage when you're on the road traveling. You have a workstation if you want to work from the road, and then the best part is you want to relax. You get your R&R with this big bed.
That's right.
See how I did that? It was fast. All right. Tracy, I need you to get over to this side because this is where real things are happening. So you're going to shoot from the top. Cody, take her through what's going on with this deck on the back.
So what you see out here, you guys, is this sun deck. And this sun deck is meant for dual purpose, just like the versatility of the entire unit. So when you're sitting still, imagine, as Mike said, backed up to Carlsbad, you're right on a cliff, you're at the beach, or you're maybe at the ski hill. But then in transit, you'll notice in all 4 corners, we've got these standard D-rings. So this space doubles as a huge storage space for, say, firewood or dirt bikes, a motorcycle, e-bikes, are all the rage, your kayaks. You've got a permanent place to store all that stuff that in a normal travel trailer you just wouldn't have.
All right, and you guys have a special partnership with Hitchfire, so this will be an accessory option. You have a trailer hitch on the back that this Hitchfire will drop into, so you have your full grilling option. This will be popped out, it goes inside, and then this just swings around and clips to the back. But something that Cody mentioned that was really, really important, no LP. So you're going to use these.
Yeah, that's right. So the grill system is the only system that uses LP. The whole rest of the unit is completely LP free. And when this Hitchfire locks away, it's stationary on the back of the unit, and you can drive down the road with the Hitchfire, stowed away right on the back of your unit. So it has its own storage capability.
All this functionality to really entertain. This is like a tailgater's dream, this whole entire setup. So now we're going to bring you guys around to the outside and the exterior look. This is what we've been waiting to show you. Obviously on the inside, there is a lot of really cool features. There's a lot of cool technology. Obviously, we're going for more of that aggressive off-road look, which is what IBEX is known for. But pan up top and look at the sides. This is a square body shape, so it's not your traditional travel trailer.
Right. So a traditional travel trailer would have like a crowned or peaked roof. It was important for us to have sort of that single slope look. So the roof slopes to one side. So on your campsite here, your door side, all the water and snow is going to drain off the off-door side. You've got this giant 20-foot awning that tucks inside that overhang. But just the overall look, all the windows are at the same level. You've got this nice rectangular style window on the outside.
That's cool.
And just a super simple exterior automotive style graphics package.
And I love this. I love the fact that I've got screen door. So you're taking the functionality of a standard travel trailer and now you've turned it into what you're calling a suite. It makes it fun, it makes it comfortable, but it also makes it incredibly functional.
Right.
All right, making our way up to the front really fast. You can see you've got your inlet for water, so you got full hookups on this as well, right?
Yeah, this thing comes standard with 100 gallons of fresh water, 60 gallons of gray for your shower and sink, and 30 gallons of black. So, you know, it's set up to camp for an extended period of time. And also the insulation value, Mike, on this unit, usually on a laminated trailer like this, you're looking at like an R7 or R9 value. This has an R value of 12. So whether you're camping at the beach and you need to keep it cool, or you're, you know, camping in colder, inclement weather and keeping it warm, you've got that peace of mind.
I'm afraid to ask what something like this costs.
You know, you might be surprised. This on the retail side is going to retail somewhere right around $50,000. So you consider everything that we've got in there: washer, dryer, you know, high water capacity, high insulation, and all the luxuries, and it's going to retail for around 50 G's.
Wow, that's awesome. I knew you're gonna drop the G's in there. This is pretty cool, right, guys? So when you think about RV innovation, you're getting a lot of that here with this new IBEX suite unit. Like, you're just seeing so much cool innovation, and I think part of that is sparked by guys like you, Cody. You want to bring innovation to the industry. Who's your buyer for this?
You know, that's a great question. And, you know, to answer your other question on innovation, there's a big team of people that help put stuff like this together. But our buyer for this is that outdoor enthusiast that has an insatiable appetite for being outside. And, you know, it isn't a certain age demographic. It's somebody who, you know, wants to take their next adventure, and we want to complement that adventure, not disrupt it. So if that's you, check out the RV suite.
And you might have said it. What's weight on this?
The weight of this one as it sits is only 6,800 pounds.
So 6,800 pounds. Everyone has to figure out your own way to pull. I always kind of do a 20%, right? So if you're at, what did you say, 80, 86, 76?
It's 6,800
so
as it sits here.
6,800.
Yep.
All right, so you add 7, so you're at 14. So you got 1,400 additional pounds of weight that you'll probably add to this and all your stuff at home. So you think about a half-ton truck, you're going to have no problem pulling this.
For sure.
All right, so lightweight, affordable, and packed with awesomeness.
That's right.
All right. Hey, thank you so much, Cody. We always
Absolutely.
appreciate it. You're
Love
number
it,
2
man.
with this, man. We're just kicking some butt over here. Maybe next year we'll start a show, and it'll be called like the Mike and Cody show.
I like that.
And then I can dress back up my normal way.
M&C.
Yeah, exactly. All right, gang, we're coming back to you guys later with more stuff here at the 2023 RV industry. This is the open house going all week long. We're here through Wednesday. All right, see you guys in a bit.